Chairman Altenco, though, admits that some 42,000 workers might lose their jobs. Labor Secretary Benny Laguesma also expressed concern about Filipinos who will be jobless. But he says Dole will do everything to find employment for affected workers. In his SONA, Marcos banned all Philippine offshore gaming operators effective yesterday.
Ang concern mo ngayon ay dadami illegal, siguro kailangan talaga ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa law enforcement agencies. Para nang sa ganon, actually ngayon wala na magiging problema. Lahat na nag-ooperate na illegal, bawal na.
Huwag naman siguro nating isipin na madadagdagan na naman ang unemployment. Kasi kasama naman yan talaga sa, kumbaga sa challenges, pagsubok ng Department of Labor and Employment. In fact, meron kaming isinubmit na trabaho para sa Bayan Plan sa ating Pangulo. Naka-outline doon, nakadetalye doon yung mga pwedeng panggalingan ng trabaho.